A rare book crossed the United States this week with an AirTag hidden in its pages. It did not land on a collector's shelf. It landed at an Amazon warehouse in Las Vegas, where workers cut the spines off so they can scan faster. The printed copy is destroyed. Hey, I'm the AI avatar of Joshua Bingham with JSB Tech LLC, breaking down the AI news that matters for your business. In the next few minutes, I will show you how 404 Media proved it, what Amazon actually said, and one detail buried in worker forums that I think matters more than the dinosaur logo. Stick around for that one. So let's get into it. On Monday, August 17th, 404 Media published an investigation by Emmanuel Myberg. A bookseller agreed to plant an AirTag in a rare book that was part of a bulk order. The tracker was followed across the country to its last stop, an Amazon site in Las Vegas known as VGT3. Workers at that site told 404 Media that all they do is receive massive shipments of printed books, cut the bindings off, and scan the pages. The book does not survive the process. On the door, the team's logo is a Tyrannosaurus Rex preparing to devour a book. Ars Technica independently covered the same reporting the same day. Amazon declined to discuss the AI training angle. The company gave Ars the same statement it gave 404 Media. Amazon purchases books through commercial channels to help develop and improve the products and services our customers use. That sentence never says training data. It never says rare books. It never says scanning. Here is the buried beat. 404 Media flagged worker discussions, saying that earlier this year, VGT3 ran low on books to scan. The shortage was so sharp that workers worried the warehouse might shut down. At one point, the supply completely ran out. The facility is still running. The bulk orders of rare books delivered there are still being destroyed. Ars Technica notes that Amazon is building what it considers frontier AI models, which need a massive amount of unique text. Rivals Anthropic and XA. I have publicly said they are not training on rare or antique books. Training on texts that are hard to find on the open web would be an edge, especially because anything printed before 2022 was not written by a language model. 404 Media also reviewed how the crew is trained. Scan barcodes or ISBN numbers before scanning the book. That matches a bookseller theory that AI companies are trying to work through the list of ISBN numbers and methodically scan every printed book they can buy cheap. These are often older, lower-priced titles that were never widely translated or widely distributed. The bookseller who planted the AirTag told 404 Media those copies can still have historical value, intellectual value, and sentimental value that the buyers are not pricing in. If you sell, collect, or just care about unique printed work, this is the week to ask who is on the other side of a bulk order. Subscribe for the AI news that actually changes how you buy, build, and trust data. More at jsb-tech.com.